Buying a used car shouldn't feel like a gamble, but if you are considering any of these 15 notorious lemons, you might be heading straight for disaster. From unreliable minivans to shaky SUVs, these vehicles are known more for breakdowns than road trips. They may look good on the outside, but don't be fooled, these cars are costly traps in disguise. Watch the full video before buying and save yourself the headache and a few $1,000 on repairs. Number 15. Jeep Wrangler, 2007 to 2018. Jeep may have pioneered the SUV, but the third-generation Wrangler was more of a liability than a legend. From 2007 to 2018, Wranglers faced engine failures, brake defects, and the infamous death wobble. The 2017 model was particularly problematic, while the 2018 version tallied 12 recalls and over 1,500 complaints. Inside, it's cramped and uncomfortable. Suspension issues and electronic glitches turn every trip into an unpredictable adventure. Only 1 in 4 owners believe their Wrangler will reach 200,000 miles. Number 14. Volkswagen Jetta, 2019. German engineering does not always mean reliability. The 2019 Jetta ranked last among compact cars by Consumer Reports. Transmission problems, grinding noises, and faulty window regulators plagued owners. Loose panels and wobbly trunk lids added to the frustration. Despite decent fuel economy, the overall experience is marred by poor build quality and frequent shop visits. Number 13. Nissan Rogue, 2014 to 2018. The 2014 to 2018 Nissan Rogue might look like a safe family choice, but under the hood lies a ticking time bomb: its notorious CVT transmission. One missed fluid change and boom, you are suddenly coughing up $8,000 like it's a luxury car repair. The suspension clunks, electronics flicker like a haunted house, and it drinks oil like it's training for a burnout contest. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior so bland, even a rental car might feel posher. Compared to rivals like the CR-V or RAV4, the Rogue is less a dependable companion and more a drama queen on wheels. If you're shopping smart, this SUV belongs on your nope list. Number 12. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, 2017 to 2018. The Pacifica Hybrid offers innovation with a dark side. The 2017 and 2018 models have faced recalls for battery fires, electrical failures, and hybrid system malfunctions. Transmission jerks, poor ride quality, and dangerous suspension defects, like bolts shearing off, make this minivan a risky investment. Even Chrysler techs have trouble diagnosing these issues. Number 11. Ford Bronco Sport, 2021. The 2021 Ford Bronco Sport might dress like an off-road hero, but it performs more like a stunt double with a limp. Rear differential failures show up before 40,000 miles, fuel injector issues bring the threat of engine fires, and brakes that squeal like a haunted hayride don't exactly inspire confidence. Add loose suspension bolts and a massive recall affecting over 115,000 units, and you've got a trail-rated catastrophe. Think you'll get help from the dealer? Think again. Many owners were left stranded longer than the Bronco's namesake ever roamed. It's stylish, sure, but this is one adventure-ready SUV that's better left parked. Number 10. Rivian R1T, 2022. As an electric truck, the Rivian R1T is exciting but risky. The 2022 launch year was plagued with build quality issues and expensive repair bills, sometimes exceeding $40,000 for minor damage. Consumer Reports gave it a below-average reliability score. Until Rivian proves its long-term durability, buyers should proceed with caution. Number 9. Mini Cooper, 2012. Cute and compact, the 2012 Mini Cooper hides serious flaws. Transmission failures, rattling timing chains, and high maintenance costs, $854 a year on average, make it more stressful than stylish. Parking mishaps can damage the low-sitting radiator, and frequent breakdowns ensure you'll see the mechanic more often than friends. Number 8. BMW X5, 2020 to 2021. The BMW X5's modern luxury is undercut by major reliability issues. The 2020 model had brake assist system failures, while 2021 saw engine leaks and failing rear-view cameras. Poor visibility due to small mirrors and bulky roof pillars adds frustration. A dozen recalls and over 30 complaints make this a luxury SUV you might regret. Number 7. Range Rover Sport, 2018. The 2018 Range Rover Sport is the automotive equivalent of a gorgeous Instagram influencer, stunning on the outside, but a total mess behind the scenes. With a silky ride and a beastly V8, it woos you into thinking it's the perfect partner, until the bills start rolling in. One unlucky owner faced a jaw-dropping $38,800 engine repair, enough to buy a second-hand luxury car outright. Add in sagging air suspensions, sunroofs that moonlight as indoor waterfalls, and a drivetrain that clunks like a dropped dumbbell, and the glamour quickly fades. Its Car Wow reliability score of 34.6 is not just bad, it's a red flag in neon lights. Beautiful? Absolutely. But brace yourself, this romance comes with a financial prenup. Number 6. GMC Sierra 1500, 2014 to 2019. Don't let the brawny look fool you. The GMC Sierra 1500 is a headache in disguise. Transmission slippage, engine trouble, and dangerous brake failures plagued these years. With fuel economy of just 17 mph, fire-prone engine block heaters, and high insurance premiums, this truck bleeds money and patience. Opt for the Chevy Silverado instead. Number 5. Mitsubishi Mirage, 2018. Affordability does not equal value. The 2018 Mirage faced door hinge failures, weak brakes, and faulty sensors. The engine is sluggish, and the ride feels like a go-kart gone wrong. Interior quality is poor, and it failed multiple crash tests. Repairs may be cheap, but you'll spend more on frustration. Number 4. Fiat 500 Lighters, 2014 to 2017. The Fiat 500 Lighters, 2014 to 2017, is like that quirky date who seemed fun at first until they started stalling mid-sentence and could not commit to going anywhere. Engine stalling, transmission tantrums, and a recall list longer than a CVS receipt, fuel leaks, airbags, suspension, you name it. Turn this cute compact into a chaotic companion. It depreciates faster than spoiled milk, and trying to resell one is like offering up week-old leftovers at a dinner party. Sure, it's got that Euro charm look, but it's all style and zero substance. Think twice before falling for its goofy grin. This Fiat fizzles fast. Number 3. Buick Encore, 2015. The 2015 Buick Encore may feel like a smart buy, but under the surface it's loaded with issues. Engine stutters, braking problems, and multiple recalls. Airbags, seatbelts, powertrain make it unreliable. The 1.4-liter turbo is underpowered, the tech is outdated, and even decent fuel economy can't save it from being a burden. Number 2. Dodge Durango, 2020. The 2020 Dodge Durango may roar like a beast and tow like a champ, but behind that muscle lies a money-hungry monster. With a dismal 15 miles per gallon, it gulps gas faster than a frat boy at happy hour. Engine failures? Check. Exhaust manifold issues that cost over $1,600? Double check. Its interior looks stuck in a Dodge time capsule, and safety ratings that barely pass the sniff test only add to the drama. It's the SUV equivalent of dating someone exciting but wildly unreliable, thrilling at first, but eventually just leaves you broke and exhausted. Number 1. Land Rover Discovery, 2017 to 2020. Topping our list of vehicular heartbreakers is the Land Rover Discovery, 2017 to 2020, a masterclass in style over substance. With its posh looks and buttery smooth ride, it lures in buyers like a luxury siren, only to crash them into a sea of repairs. J.D. Power and Kelley Blue Book both give it failing grades in reliability, and for good reason. Think suspension wear, drivetrain gremlins, and breakdowns so frequent your mechanic might start charging you rent. Sure, the interior feels like a first-class lounge, but who cares when you're grounded more often than airborne? Unless you enjoy surprise bills and waiting room coffee, steer clear of this high-end headache. If this list saved you from buying a four-wheeled disaster, smash that like button like it's a faulty CVT. Don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest car reviews, money-saving tips, and buyer guides that keep your garage happy and your wallet intact. Hit the bell so you never miss a lemon warning.